the chair, not your mom. There, see, you did it. All right, here we go. Henry, did you get in a cat fight? What? You get in a cat fight with one of your brothers?
No.
A little red mark under your eye.
Oh, my dog scratched me.
Oh! Mabel?
Yeah. She has extremely sharp nails.
Yeah, I was cutting pieces of nails yesterday. She got Ben the other day.
Yeah. Right.
But she got you with your tooth, right? She's like, let's play. I want to play.
Okay. That is okay.
Thanks, we're on our way up now. They're lucky. They're waiting for you at the top.
How are they at the top of it? They were ahead of us.
Hey, everybody look over here. Okay, nice smile now, dork. Okay. Proof that we skied today.
Yeah.
Hey, you are the dog.
Did you say I'm the dork? Well, yeah, we already knew that though. Hello? I'm mom. That's what moms do. Mm-hmm. See Ann and Josie up there. Way up there.
Lift number 1.
We're number 2?
We're number 4.
4. Oh, they're number 1. No, they're number whatever the highest one is.
No.
1, 2, 3, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
0.
Okay.
We really go for a heated seat right about now. It will. You probably found some powder today though, didn't you, Soren?
Oh yeah.
It's got some good snow up here.
Yeah, the upper section of Southern Cross had some good snow.
Cool. How do you like your apartment?
Oh, that's pretty nice. I just got a new table for the music setup.
Sweet. Where's the where are you living at?
Southeast of campus. I'm pretty close.
Walkable?
Yeah, definitely.
And you have your bike up there.
Yeah, I usually bike.
And then do you are you working up there at all?
Yeah.
Where are you working?
On campus.
Where at?
I was working at Bok Choy, but they closed since it was getting replaced. So,
Oh.
and I have a new schedule this quarter, so
Yeah, so you'll
I have to wait to see what it will be. But yeah, usually it's just food service jobs at the restaurants around campus.
Yeah. Hey, you know what? That is good experience.
Yeah.
Is that the Johnson thing? That brown thing?
No. It's a little hill right
Oh yeah, there's a big rock there. I feel like last season you could see a little part of it all year long. I was like, oh, that's citrus looking. I like the all red suit. What do you think? All red?
Definitely stands out.
Is your mom's back bothering her, Soren?
No, I think just recovering from New Year's celebration.
Oh yeah, they went to a wedding, didn't they?
Yeah.
Sparkle. Yeah, she said she needed one more day of recovery. I was like, from what? New Year's?
Yeah.
We had a rip-roaring New Year's party. Right, guys?
Yeah.
We made it till like 9:30.
Before my brother crashed.
Well, we're all gonna crash at some point. Well, how late did you stay up once you got home, or did you fall asleep right away?
Unfortunately, I didn't have a choice if I could stay up anymore. So.
Oh, because your mom was tired.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you read in bed for a while?
About 15 minutes.
What are you reading right now?
I'm reading this book called The Misfits.
The Misfits.
Yeah.
Is it pretty funny?
It's pretty good.
Sounds like it would be a funny. Oh, that guy gave up. He's done. I don't want to.
Still picking your nose? Okay, good.
So here's what to do with this.
I know, look at that one bent over at the top. Look at all the snow.
What should I just say?
They're so cool. I appreciated that there wasn't a whole lot of snow on the road though until we got almost up there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I didn't have to turn on four-wheel drive until I got into the parking lot.
Yep. I think right when we had to slow down at the top is when just to begin.
Yeah.
You know, the parking always going to be snowy.
Yep, parking's always a little snowy, and that's okay. That's a fabulous ski suit. Definitely see that guy.
Yeah.
Do you think he glows in the dark? I'm not sure. Are you seeing spots in your vision? Forehead getting cold? Here. Try to loosen it. Is it loose? Looser? That's tightener? Here, I'm gonna tighten it. I'll tighten it when we get off, okay? So we gotta get off in a second. Is that better? Right there? I pushed it down in the front. That's what I was trying to do. That's what you asked me to do, and then you yelled at me to stop. Prepare to unload. Ready? See all the stickers on Soren's helmet? Do you have more stickers to add from your recent adventures?
Yeah, I think I got a few.
Have you hit Mission Ridge yet this year?
Yeah, that was the second one I went to.
That's right. Oh, I love Mission.
Yeah.
How's the snow over there?
Oh, it was great. It was empty. It got a little choppy at the end of the day, but
Hi there.
it was alright.
How we doing? Good.